Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to log into Candy Crush using your email. First, open the Candy Crush Saga application on your mobile device. On the main screen, you will see options to play. Look for the Log In or Connect with Email button. Tapping this will take you to the next step, where you can begin the process of accessing your saved game progress and enjoying all your hard-earned levels and boosters. This is a straightforward process. Once you've selected the email login option, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Carefully type your registered email address into the first field. Then, move to the second field and enter your password. It's crucial to ensure both are accurate to avoid any login errors. Take a moment to double-check your entries before proceeding. This step ensures the security of your account and helps you regain access quickly. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. There are simple solutions. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link, usually located near the password field, to reset it. Also, confirm you have a stable internet connection, as this is essential for the game to communicate with its servers. Finally, always verify that you are using the exact email address linked to your Candy Crush account to prevent access problems. After successfully logging in, your game progress will automatically sync across all your devices. This means you can pick up right where you left off, whether you're on a phone or a tablet, enjoying your current level, scores, and any boosters you've collected. Logging in with your email provides a secure and reliable method to save your game data, ensuring all your hard work is preserved and accessible whenever you want to play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.